So this video was recorded July 6th at Southern Training Facility in Raceway over near Bainbridge, Georgia. And throughout the day, me and my buddy Yusef, owner and operator of 770 Cows, were just out there getting some laps in, just getting a little bit of practice, still trying to get comfortable and dialed in on the bikes, and get used to jumping and all that. And as you'll see here pretty soon, what we're learning pretty quickly with motocross is that there's a lot of people that have been doing it their entire lives, and they're a lot faster than we are. And unfortunately for us and for our egos, a lot of these people are like 7 to 8 years old, just like road racing pretty much, where you have young kids that just get on these bikes from the time that they start walking, even before that probably, and then they just never stop riding. So yeah, just come with us for a couple laps. We're both really slow right now, but this is only my third time doing motocross ever. So, I mean, I'm just taking my time with it, trying to get comfortable on the bike, trying to get used to being in the air on a motorcycle. But as you'll see here, pretty soon, there's a little 8-year-old ripper that's going to come right past us like we're standing still. And it hurts the ego, but it definitely still shows you, how much there is to learn, and just how much work and how much effort and time we need to put in this to get good. But enjoy the video. Hopefully you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.
Yeah. They do, yeah, try to do like a 30. I think that might be what they're doing now, trying to do like a 20-minute or a 30-minute run. I ain't built like that, bro. I mean, I could do it, but it'll be slow. I couldn't like push it like that. Gotta get like some gear, man. Some more protection.
somebody that's fast, they're gonna tell me nothing's wrong with the bike.
I don't know. I got caught out a couple times.
You slipped?
I crashed like twice.
I tell you, man, I was feeling that sun when I was kickstarting.
Yeah.
I felt the burning. Just standing there, I'm like, nah.
That's bad.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.